Hello, my name is Francisco. I am the sales manager of Frumecar. Frumecar is a family company that started in the 1970s with two brothers and one brother-in-law that they used their family name to create the name of the company. We have been already now sold in 80 countries around the world, and we are starting now to sell good equipment in the US market. In Europe, we are one of the big players in the market, one of the biggest producers that we produce more than 70 batching plants per year and more than 400 crop mixers per year. We have batching plants in dry and wet mix that will start from 40 yards an hour up to 200 yards an hour with fully mobile, semi-mobile and static batching plants. We are specialized in batching plants that will fit inside containers, that will be very fast for setup and easy to transport around the world. The components that we use are very well recognized brands that are all over the world, so everybody could have a very good service. Obviously, when you decide to buy your own plants, it's because you will control the delivery of your concrete yourself instead of other companies will not attend your demands in terms of delivery. So you will control this and it will be much better for you. Thank you.